Introducing the sleek and powerful 2025 Skoda Octavia SE 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower. This stunning machine, registered new in 2025, boasts a host of comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. The exterior. Grey colour adds a touch of sophistication, while the 2-litre diesel engine ensures an efficient drive. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-spec servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can rest assured that this vehicle is top-notch. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more details. Drive into the future today.